to throw it out, and very rarely can you, particularly at a national level. I don't think the election was stolen, but I think there were problems. So you have people who try to navigate it. In the media, of course, anyone who questions the election at all is supposedly an election denier. And when you have people so willing to embrace the phrase big lie, or too ignorant to even know where it comes from or why they're using it, you can't expect those people to be able to nuance between someone who calls into doubt election security with someone who thinks the election was stolen. There actually is a pretty big difference between the two. But nobody wants to nuance anymore. Everybody wants to perform. Everyone wants to perform. Everyone wants to have an emotional response these days. It's not enough to state the facts anymore. It's got to be emotionally driven. It's got to be storytelling to some degree. It's got to make people feel happy and whatnot. As opposed to just telling people what's going on in the country. You're not allowed to tell people what's going on in the country. You're just not.
Almost done.
You gotta connect to just
I put on here, no person, while voluntarily intoxicated, shall engage in conduct that will likely be offensive or cause inconvenience, annoying, or alarm. To it, Joseph Lee was intoxicated, was yelling and screaming in front of 2 or more persons. Does that work? This is a line of mystery, right? And the 22nd.
Just tell people the truth. People like it. No. People want to be told their truth now. Not the truth, their truth.
How many years have we dealt with them?
However,
how many years? Oh my goodness, I don't know.
The truth. The media wants
to tell Gears Pike checkup.
Truth. And the Democrats' truth is that boys can become girls and girls can become boys.
2049.
And the Democrats' truth is that anyone who has any questions at all about election integrity is an election denier. And the Democrats' truth is that Republicans are Nazis, but we won't call them Nazis. We'll say they're using the big lie, and smart people will be able to deduce what we're saying, and dumb people will just embrace it and use the phrase big lie. So how are Republicans about Republican candidates around the country now no longer talking to the mainstream media? Why would you?
The last thing I want to do is take Terry to jail.
I was thinking that on the way here, like, we would figure it out if we have to.
There are some very fair reporters out there across networks, but by and large, overwhelmingly, the media is all in on the left. Look at how quickly reporters across America pushed back on Donald Trump's claim yesterday that the FBI had taken his passport.
When I was working days, they're normally sleeping this time during the day, so we never dealt with them too much.
The FBI says they don't have his passport, but actually the FBI had taken his passport. They just gave it to another agency when they realized they had it, so that agency could get it back to the president. But they took it. Donald Trump was not telling a lie, but the media is pretty like it.
We'll be back out here yet tonight.
I'm sure. Especially if he's letting them go in his farmhouse.
Make sure you get that door back on for me.
What's that?
Will you make sure you get that door back on for me?
Yeah, I can't lift that door at all.
Well, big guys can help you.
But they can.
Yeah, because there's 5 guys there,
Yeah,
4.
I can refer the message and kind of be there, but yeah, I can't.
Yeah, we just need to know where the pins are.
Okay, they're at the bottom of the steps in that corner with the knobs.
All right.
I'm free to get out here?
Yeah, you can stand right here. She's got to explain these to you, and then we'll get you out of here.
All right, man, just like I said, you're getting the summons for obstructing official business and public intox, okay? You got a court date, the 22nd, which is Monday, at 8:30 in the morning at Vandalia Municipal Court. Okay, so make sure that you're there. If you have any kind of emergency or anything, you can't be there, you need to call them and let them know, because otherwise they're going to issue a warrant for you. All right? Listen to me. I understand wanting to defend your dad. I get it. I get where you're at, and I get the frustration level. But 1, you're in talk. Stay over there. 2,
I'm not. I had two sour. I'm not like.
So,
I mean, I know from my mobility, it looks like I might, but I do have muscular dystrophy like he does. I'm not in a chair yet. So a lot of
one of the things I'll ask you is try to get that door back on. If not, we're going to be back out here. Okay?
essentially what Brian was telling people.
It's going to be at 830 East National Road at Speedway East, just looking for a senior 26. The complainant advised he appeared intoxicated while being provided to the store. Oh, yeah. 26th Street. Jojo.
Into contact.
Okay, for PI.